Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial topics to help you make the most of your money. Today, we're tackling how to get money off an HSA card in 2025. If you're like many people with a health savings account, HSA, you might be wondering how to access those funds without jumping through hoops. HSAs are fantastic for covering medical expenses tax-free, and with updates in 2025, it's a great time to refresh your knowledge. Let's dive in. First things first, what's an HSA? It's a special account that pairs with a high-deductible health plan, allowing you to save pre-tax dollars for qualified medical costs. In 2025, the IRS has bumped up contribution limits. Check the official site for exact figures, but we're talking around $4,300 for individuals and $8,550 for families. The key to getting money off your HSA card is understanding qualified expenses, like doctor visits, prescriptions, dental care, and even vision services. Step 1. Verify your expenses. Always double-check that what you're paying for qualifies to avoid penalties. For example, over-the-counter meds now require a prescription in some cases, so keep that in mind for 2025 rules. Step 2. Use your HSA card like a debit card. Swipe it at pharmacies, doctors' offices, or even online retailers that accept it for eligible items. It's straightforward and helps you track spending easily. Step 3. If you don't have the card handy, pay out of pocket and request a reimbursement. Submit receipts to your HSA administrator through their app or website. Most make this super simple nowadays. But here's a crucial tip. Non-qualified withdrawals can lead to a 20% penalty plus taxes, so stick to the rules. Also, in 2025, look out for potential new digital tools from providers to make withdrawals even easier. Wrapping this up, managing your HSA effectively can save you a ton on healthcare. Always keep detailed records for tax purposes and consult a financial advisor if you're unsure. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.